In this video, I will show you how to sell all kinds of products from well-known brands such as Disney, Star Wars, Marvel, DC Comics, Harry Potter, and many more on Zazzle Legally. Fast and easy, and it's free. Welcome to Financial Freedom Style, it's Trevor. Are you a fan of any of the brands I just mentioned? Let's take a look at what Zazzle actually has on their website. I'm now signed in on the Zazzle homepage, but even if you're not, on the left menu bar you will see Explore. Click on that and you scroll down, you will see brands on Zazzle. Click on it and it will bring you to this page where it says on top, officially licensed merchandise. Do you see any familiar brands here? They have Disney, Star Wars, Marvel, Sesame Street, DC Comics, Peanuts, and if you go here you'll see more like Harry Potter, Jurassic World, Looney Tunes, and others. If you scroll down you will see different sections. This one is for family and kids. They have fleece blanket, throw pillow, water bottle, acrylic tray, lamp, and coffee mugs. Keep going down and this section is for movies and TV. They have official poster design for Alice in Wonderland and Star Wars, and there's more throw pillow and fleece blanket. We go down more and this section is about superhero. They have postcard, binder, birthday invitation, all kinds of stickers, magnet, and I see mouse pad. I like this one. We go down more and they have college and Greek spirit brands that I'm not too familiar with. We keep going down. These are recently added. The Batman just came out recently. We keep going and this section is about Disney family events. They are showing us different personalized t-shirt designs for the family here. And below that, this section is for different occasions like birthday party, baby shower, and wedding. Say if you know someone who has been looking for these exact products for their upcoming family trip to Disney World, or these party supplies for an upcoming birthday party, while you're already going to share your findings with them, wouldn't it be cool you can also get rewarded when doing it? There is no harm to anyone. Here's what you will do. This is the Zazzle Associates Program sign-up page. I will put the link in the description for your convenience. You can earn 15% per sale when you share Zazzle products on your blog, website, social media, or via email. You can even earn up to 17% per sale as volume bonus. Basically, it means if you can sell a lot of their products in a month, you will get this bonus. There is a page that explains the volume bonus program you can learn more about. I also put the link in the description for you. The Zazzle Associates program gives you 45 days cookie length. The simple way to explain this is when you share a product links to someone and they open it to see the products, let's say with their mobile phone, they may not want to buy right away, but that doesn't mean you lose the sale. A cookie is stored in their phone for 45 days. If that person finally purchased the product within 45 days, you still get the sale and earn the 15% commission as an affiliate. What you want to do is click sign up to register for free. If you already have a Zazzle account, it will bring you to this Associate Center page. You should see a checkbox for the Associate Program Agreement and a blue button say Enroll Me somewhere at the bottom for you to join the program. Since I'm already in, I only get an unenroll options here. Once you enroll, you will get an unique and personal associate ID that ties to your Zazzle account. You will find it at the top of the page as shown here. It is also your referral code as shown in blue text here. So how do you use it to get sale? Let's pretend you have a friend who is a big fan of Batman and he's looking for a cool looking hoodie for the latest movie that just came out. You found it on Zazzle and you want to email him the link to check it out. The first thing you need to do is copy the product link. On Google Chrome, you will find it at the top of the web browser. Just highlight the link and right click and copy it. Or you can also go down here. You will see this link icon. Click on it and you will find the link here for you to copy as well. Then you write your friend an email and paste the product link in it. That's one last step before you send it out. All you need to do is highlight and copy your referral code as shown in blue here. Simply put your code at the very end of the product link and you're good to go. So when your friend opens your email, click on the link to see the hoodie, loved it, appreciate you, and buy it, you will get paid 15% of the total sale. And what if your friend is buying more than one? Imagine that. You can also promote the product on other platforms like Pinterest to serve a bigger audience, but you need a product photo to create a pin. Zazzle actually doesn't let you save any images on their website, but there's a workaround to it. It is to use your screenshot function on your computer. I use a PC, so I will show you a way. You simply go to the search bar here and you type in snipping tool, and you should find it here. Just click on that to open the tool. Once the window opens, you click new and you simply click and drag on the page to capture the photo. Then you save the image to your computer. You can also use the Zazzle app on your mobile device and use the screenshot function there. Now that you have a product photo saved, you can create a pin. Simply upload the image and you copy and paste the text on the product page for the title and the description. I believe you can edit the description a little bit to be more helpful to your viewers. But most importantly is make sure you paste the product link here and don't forget to add your referral code at the very end of the product link. Otherwise, you are sharing product but you won't get paid because of the missing code in the link. Once everything is good, just hit save and that's it. One more thing. Maybe you want to be a little bit more creative than just using a simple screenshot, right? You can use graphic design tools like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Canva, etc. I've also mentioned other useful editing tools on my other videos where I talk about how to make money on Zazzle and Redbubble. You can check it out. But today, I want to talk about Placeit. It's one of my favorite tools that helps me a lot when I need quick mockups, animated designs, and many more. I actually created my new intro video within an hour using Placeit just a month ago, versus it took me days to make the previous one building it on my own. It saves me a lot of time. They have free mockups, free designs, free logos, and free videos available for you to use. But today I want to use their new Express Video Maker. I'm looking for a vertical format that matches my cropped product photo, so I'll use the filter on the left here. And I will pick this one, 9:16 vertical. There you see a good number of video templates you can choose from in this format. But I want to use this one for today. Inside the editor, you can change your text, different fonts, font colors. You can upload your image or video or use the existing one inside their library. You can even edit an audio track to your video. So let me upload a product photo and create a video real quick. Say I'm happy with the video I created. All I need to do is just hit these buttons to download it to my computer. So the video is downloaded. Let's take a look, shall we? Now Not bad, isn't it? It is now ready for me to create another pin. Same as before, copy and paste the title, description, and the product links. And most importantly, add your referral code at the very end of it. Go up here, hit publish, and done. So that's how you can sell brand name products on Zazzle legally. Simple, isn't it? Check out the brands on Zazzle page and see if you find any products someone you know will like them and want them. Chances are you will, since these are well-known brands people already love and trust. Just focus on being a helpful resource to others in need is the way to go. If you find any value in this video, hit the like button. It will encourage YouTube to show this content to more people who can benefit from it. Also, subscribe and turn on the bell so you will be notified when there's new updates on this channel. What other topics on Zazzle and affiliate marketing would you like to know? And if you make your first affiliate sales by taking action on this, let me know by commenting below so I can congratulate you myself. That's all for now. I will see you in the next video.